Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why you shouldn't put dish soap in your toilet, it ruins your system, so don't do it, wrote one person, and another added, please don't do this. The rubber seals in your toilet cistern can break down when anything else but water is used in there.
Take our lead.
It will slowly dissolve and will even last longer. It won't damage your toilet or the septic system. Fans have praised the idea and have used the hack on their own toilets, while critics argue that the detergent will clog, and even damage pipes before long.
Take our lead.
To get started, purchase a 2-liter bottle of Coke and allow it to acclimate to room temperature. After pouring it down the drain, let it fizz and work its corrosive power for an hour or two before running hot water. Coke and Pepsi are loaded with phosphoric acid, which breaks down buildup that can clog your drains.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In recent years, DIYers looking to find a green alternative to chemical products have suggested pouring a potful of boiling water into a clogged sink or toilet to clear a clog. While it's probably okay to dump boiling water in the sink when your pipes are clear, a clog will trap the water in the pipe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.